Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start in the color page and immediately create a clean working node. Use Alt+S to add a serial node so your contrast changes stay non-destructive. Open Scopes, Waveform, and Parade to see luminance and RGB balance in real time. Once done, set your playhead on a representative clip frame. This gives you a reliable reference. Make sure to work with a calibrated monitor if available, because the scopes show what matters more than your screen alone. Now shape contrast using lift, gamma, and gain to control shadows, midtones, and highlights. Small moves are powerful. Increase contrast to widen separation, decrease to compress. Monitor the waveform so you avoid clipping. Adjust pivot to move where contrast centers. Lower values protect highlights, higher values protect shadows. Use the Curves panel for precise S-curve shaping when you need localized control. Keep toggling the node on and off to compare before and after, and maintain balance across skin tones and highlights. Finish by checking the entire timeline and applying any LUTs on a new node above your adjustments so you can tweak mid-step. Use soft clip or small offset adjustments to tame any clipped highlights or crushed blacks without losing perceived contrast. If you see clipping on scopes, reduce contrast or pull back gain, then slightly nudge gamma to preserve midtones. One troubleshooting tip: if skin looks washed, lower contrast a bit and nudge pivot toward shadows. This usually restores natural texture and color.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.